Okay, guys. Today we will in our tutorial we would like to do implementation part of the market basket optimization problem. Okay, as usual, we are entering the anaconda. After that, uh, we are jumping to our spider. Then, actually, I already have opened. Uh, that's great. Firstly, we are creating the our new uh, file. New file. Uh, okay, I'm zooming in. The code should be clear for you. Okay, first we should specify our folder where our data set is located. Our data set is located in a priori Python file. Okay, now let's start. First, we should import the dataset. For that, we need pandas library. Import pandas spd. We should read our market basket optimization CSV dataset. We are okay. Here is error. Actually, 1a pandas. Our data set will be equal to pandas dot read csv. We should specify file name. Our file name is market basket optimization dot csv. Okay, let's import it. Control enter. Okay, let me clean. I have previous cases. Okay, I have dataset, but my as we have seen, there is one error because the first one is also transactions, but it have accepted as a column. Actually, it is okay. Let me solve this issue because this is not a column name. It's the first transaction. Actually, by default, as we know, all the Excel files everywhere, the first row we are having the column names. That's why Python pandas by default will understand, and it will put the first row as a column names. Okay, specify header is none. It means I don't have any kind of header in my case. Let me check how it works. Header none. Okay, let's go with it. Yeah, now everything is simply specified. Okay, let me explain what's this dataset. This dataset is the one of the supermarket in Europe. It has been taken from there. It's the 7,500 transactions had been done in a week. In 1 week. Okay, it means that from this market, people come and they purchase something. For example, it's the transaction shipment amount avocado. In first transaction, someone purchased almost 20 items. None means there is no purchase. For example, here second customer purchased burger, meatballs and eggs. Third people purchase only chutney. Fourth one, turkey and avocado, and like that it's going. Okay, it's now our task is try to generate the frequently purchased item more than our threshold and the targeted amount, quite frequently purchased item. It's depending on our choice and the preferences. Okay, let's continue our part. Okay, we successfully imported, but guys, only importing this dataset, it's not enough. In order to work properly with our dataset, we should put them in a form of list because all elements should become and we should encounter each of them as a specific element, and all we should also we are going to generate rules based on the uh, every kind of list, every kind of rows, or that's why we will split them into list. Every row we will convert them list, and all the element we have to convert to object. Okay, how we can do it? It's very simple. uh, First we should transactions. I would like to specify the transactions. First we should start empty set. Then what we are doing, it's like that. For example, we should, it means I should come element by element. It means it's very simple. I'm using for loop for I in range 0 till 0 till 7500, because my I will be 0 till 7500. Okay, let me see. Am I coming correctly? No, in spite of that, I have started from 0, but my transaction ends 7500. It means I have 7501 rows. That's why I should specify not 7500, 7501. Okay, then I'm going with the next loop. My transactions dot append. I should append. We know that from the list we have learned. Append means adding elements one by one to this list. Append and as I have discussed, I have to convert the elements into strings in order to take them element by element, because we are trying to check not their any kind of numeric format. We are trying to find them by their repetition, by their similarity. String dot dataset dot values I g uh, for g in range 0 till how many rows we are having? 20 rows. I think it should come 0 till 19. Yeah, 0 till 19. Okay, then I should specify 0 till 20 because last one will not be included. Yeah, okay. Let's check how transactions, yeah, does it convert to into transaction? Yes, it is. It's a list of list as we can see. Turkey, avocado, rest of them none. About none we cannot worry about that because system a priori algorithm will manage somehow by itself. Okay, we don't need to do data cleaning, otherwise we may lose a lot of data. Yeah. Okay, now let's build our a priori model. Actually, for that we need to from AP priori a priori import a priori Okay guys, why we need to do that? Because it's in some versions of Python it's not built-in library. That's why we are importing from here. Actually, it's the a priori, it's the big library. If you want, I can open it. It's the very big built-in, no, not built-in library. Get support records, get order statistics, get filter data. A lot of codings are there. That's why we are importing this library. And from here, I need a priori function. Get order statistics. Yeah, whatever need, it's a priori function here from a priori library. Minimum support. Like that. Yeah. Okay, let's continue rest of them. Okay, let's create the rules. Rules is equal to a priori from our transactions. I should specify my transactions from where my transactions. After that, minimum support. Actually, how I'm going to determine my minimum support? I would like to specify in my example a minimum 3 item in every day. For example, it means I have 3 item, the data set given for 7 days, and out of 7,500. Yeah, it means 0.028. It means approximately minimum support will be 0.003. Okay, after that, what I should specify? Minimum lift is the the minimum boundary of the strength without repetition, how many accuracy it's happening. As I have specified, it is 3 times in a week, and that will be the same here. Minimum lift will be equal to 3, and the minimum confidence will be actually the if I take higher confidence, the relationship will be the equation, the rules will be very less. That's why I should specify the 20%, 0.2. It's enough to make basic rules. And I would like to make the minimum item set in my list. It is 2. Minimum length will be equal to 2. Okay, the rules have been given, and I should specify my rules into list. My results will be list form of the rules, because this rules does not have any kind of specific data set. Okay, let me check it. Variable explorer. It's taking time because it's generating the entire rule, it's calculating all these steps. Okay, yeah, I have generated my rules, but all of them in a frozen object data set, because yeah, okay, it has generated, but it couldn't reach my element by element because it just calculated their frequency and it generated. But now I should specify, I should take them because it's located in my memory. If you have seen, everything is relation record, and it frozen object built-in models. Unfortunately, I cannot see it. It is in my memory and with only address it has been given. Okay, I should retrieve my data. Let me create result list. Result list. Beginning it will be empty set, empty list, and for I in range 0 till length of my results. Length of my results for I in range 0 till length of my results. Result list dot append. I should specify the rules and the support of them accordingly. Yeah, suppose my append rules oh my god. Okay, let me take it because this part of code is a little bit complex. Yeah, here my version, my laptop is Dell, and here little bit typing style is different, and I cannot, it's not available this backslash in my case. That's why I would like to control copy these rules, and I would like to paste it here. Yeah, it's very simple. Support string first should be the rules, and in my second columns, each row will be the support. Okay. For I, okay, here is a mistake. For I in range, then result. Okay, let me run. Control enter. Okay, result list 170. Yeah, here cottage, brownies, cheese and brownies, their support is 0.34, and second light cream and the chicken support 0.045. It means more than my cases. Yeah, it means 170 item set is purchased more than 3 times every day from my from that supermarket. That kind of rules we can generate. Okay, guys, goodbye. Okay, last step. Let's save my code. For example, I should specify Control S. What will be my market basket optimization supported file, Python files. Okay, save. Okay, guys, all the best. See you in the next lecture. For we have done the implementation part of market basket optimization and a priori rules.